Hello guys, welcome to online web tutor presented by Prophotic Solutions team. I am Sanjay. We are learning smart programming tricks number 7, and in this video session we are going to make a loader on processing. Suppose we are making a AJAX request, then suppose while requesting to the server, if we want to load our page with the help of a progress bar, then how can we implement a progress bar to our body? So have a look at what actually we are going to read in this video session. So just go to browser. Suppose this is a button, and as you can see the label message is show message. By clicking on this button we will get a message right below here, but before that we will see a loader symbol is loading while processing our request. Okay, so just click on that. You could say that a progress bar is loading. Okay, and now we will get a message, something called welcome to online web tutor channel. So how guys is looking sweet that we are requesting to our server and we are getting a small loader symbol, as you could see, before processing our request. So in this video session we will learn that how can we attach a progress bar to our click handler event, or you can say while requesting to the server. Okay, so just back to our editor. So behind the scene guys, this is a HTML file, okay, where actually we have linked a jQuery of CTL link. As you can see, here is the method where that actually event which have actually binded with this button event. Means when we click on this button, then showProgressBar event will be called. Okay, so just I am going to write something alert message like hello, save your file and just refresh this page. Once I refresh, just click on that. As you could see that we get a message of hello as an alert. So we want that when we click on this button, our progress bar will load to our page before making request to the server. So this is just a simple example guys that I gonna show you that if it hits your mind, then you could actually use this concept to your AJAX request. Suppose you are using a AJAX request to your JavaScript, then how could we actually handle before processing while attaching a progress bar to your event? Okay, so before attaching any progress bar to your body section, just you need to include some CSS code into that. Okay, and one more image you need like a progress bar. So before making a video session guys, actually I have written some sort of CSS code. As you could see that a processing class that I have made, that before processing actually I want to load some CSS, like we want to set a background image with a color, and here is the image loading.gif. okay, and top equal to 0, left equal to 0. So these are the CSS properties that actually you need to set to attach your image to the body section. And in the description link guys, I drop these codes to make copy to your code. So and this is the image that we're gonna use in this video session, that is loading.gif. okay, and we have actually attached this image, as you could find, into the CSS file. Okay, so just I make copy of this code, just copy that code, make a style tag below script tag, and all I need to do just paste this code of CSS. Okay, just make some formatting to this code, and the images actually loading.gif is within images folder, as you can see. So just I have to link images /. okay, and now we want that when we click on this button, then this event will be hit. Okay, as we know. So before hitting this video say progress bar, we need to make sure that we attach this class, processing class, to our body tag. Okay, means when we click on this button, then we want to add this class to this body. Okay, so just make sure that our processing will work. Just copy this class and paste it here. Okay, I have pasted. As you can see that processing class is now attached with our body section. So just save this file and refresh this page. Once you refresh, you could see that our body actually loading with a progress bar. Okay, so we want that this progress bar will load when we click on this button and while we are requesting to a server. Okay, so just remove that. we want that this class actually should be added by the help of JavaScript while processing our request. Okay, so actually we are not making a request to this example. Just I want to make a clear concept about that how can we attach a progress bar to a body section while requesting any. So just make setTimeout, suppose function, and I want that after 2 seconds the progress bar will disappear and it gives our desired result. And what we want that within this h3 tag we want something message will be printed there after this interval. Okay, so just make id message dot html welcome to online web tutor channel. Okay, so all we have done now, we have set our custom message to our h3 tag with id message. Okay, and we want that while clicking on this button we should attach the processing class with this body tag. So we need to add addClass method. Okay guys, we need to use addClass method. We want that while clicking on this button we need to add a class to the body tag. Okay, and the class should be processing. Just copy this class and paste it here. All we have done now, we have added a class while clicking on this button to this body tag, and after 2 seconds we will get this message to our h3 div tag. So just save this file and refresh this page. Just click on this button. While clicking on this button it calls showProgressBar event. Okay, and after this event we will add a class processing to our body tag, and it actually executes, and after 2 milliseconds, means 2 seconds, it will print a message to h3 tag. Okay, so just click on this button. We will get a progress bar as you can see, and after 2 seconds it loaded the message within h3 tag. But you could find that guys, this progress bar actually does not remove from our body section. So we want that while getting this message into h3 tag we want to remove from the body tag. Okay, so just we need to actually use removeClass method of jQuery to this event. So after getting message within this h3 tag we need to remove processing class from our body tag. So we need to use removeClass for that. Okay, so just save this file and refresh this page. Once you refresh, just click on that. As you could see, progress bar is loading. Now we will get a message. Okay, so just click again. So how is it going? Okay guys, so this is a very basic example that how can we attach a progress bar while making any request. So let's make a clear vision about how could actually you handle about Ajax request. Suppose you are making an online website and you are getting a suppose list of products to your pages, or you want to delete or you want to add to your cart. So in that condition, suppose a user click on button add to cart. So while processing add to cart means event handler, you need to attach a progress bar on that event. So this concept actually you should use at that point that you want to actually show a progress bar while requesting any request to the server. So just you need to keep some points while using this concept. First, you need to make a small CSS code. As you could see that these are the very basic CSS code that I have written, where actually I have attached a loading images with this CSS. Okay, by setting a background color. Okay, so when we click on this button you could see a blackish brown in the background section. As you could see, a black background. Okay, so this is the color that actually I have set it with this RGB code. Okay, and this is top left position content z index. So all we need to set while using this sort of CSS code. Okay, so all this CSS code I will drop into the description section of this video link, and also after making this sort of CSS code, just you need to add processing class while requesting any click event to your button. All you need to add to your body section. Okay, so and to do that, just you need to add addClass method and removeClass method. addClass method actually adds this class to this tag, and removeClass removes this class from this tag. This is not only guys for body section. If you want to use to any div, any span, any paragraph, any iframe, then you could use, instead of body, you could use those tags here. Okay, so just remove body section from here, because we are not using this actually processing class with only body section. You could actually attach this processing class to anywhere inside your HTML div element. Okay, so just check it again, just refresh page, click on that. Okay, we will get our progress bar as expected. Okay, so this is how a basic video guys that I have made, which is just helpful for you to attach your processing bar while requesting any making ajax request. Okay guys, so I hope you understood this video. So please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So if you have any query about this video session guys, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.